Yeah, this one is a tribute to my hood, man. Mav, Chitole Ndawaya, Sugasong Pongwen, you know. That's where the shit comes from, man. Hey. Skuleganzi. Sebancane Pongwen. Skuleganzi, Magumnane Pongwen. Goku sesibadala sesavaye Pongwen. Abanye banengosi abanye abekho semhlabeni. Sikhule kancane sebancane Pongwen. Sikhule kanzima kumnandi Pongwen. Goku sesibadala sesavaye Pongwen. Abanye banengosi abanye abekho semhlabeni. Safikela kwaScope, still a young and gets us cut. To the 80s. Let's go back. College ain't really positive, but te yo di uchi dansa pongwe no na se ko e ka tume pa. Yeah, let's go. Mas pensar, não vai que eu nada, my face. Come on, let's do it, man. Come on. Skuleganzi, sebancane pongwe. Skuleganzi, magumnandi Pongwen. Goku sesibadala sesavaye Pongwen. Abanye banengosi abanye abekho semhlabeni. Sikhule kancane sebancane Pongwen. Sikhule kanzima kumnandi Pongwen. Goku sesibadala sesavaye Pongwen. Abanye banengosi abanye. Safikela kwaScope, still a young and gets us cut. We moved to B-Sec from the early to mid-80s. But when in the 90s, shit was kinda crazy. Basalwa no baby, in last born, yeah, all age. Primary school days was filled with bad play. In Tola to win baller, we were sick, we didn't play. No team would dare challenge us blind, not we cricket. I would get the runs, and still I would get the wickets. Someone that they thought sport was the ticket. Someone in education, but their teams wasn't winning. Someone in the street life to hit the fell victim. I wanted to rebel. We had to make the system, tell ghetto stories, started writing lyrics, made a fiery spirit by the name of Toxin. Talented individual from rhymes to mixing vinyl. Rest in peace to Tongs and your legend, yes, and bombs. Skule kancane sebancane, sikhule kanzima kumnandi. Goku sesibadala sesavaye, abanye banengosi abanye abekho semhlabeni. Sikhule kancane sebancane, sikhule kanzima kumnandi. Goku sesibadala sesavaye, abanye banengosi abanye. Evikwa baba khwengwa abanye ngathi akhofistan. Ushiyile nova kustolu uzomoshana abanye. I see a lot of new faces with screw faces walking around the hood, tripping on their shoelaces. The corner young 138 was our true pace gig where they shot in up or where we had cycles with the case. Shout out to Mark K9 and Luigi. Don't forget Charles Cliff, who had my nigga speech. Pushing this rap back in the days, it was the East. We still grinding hard, innocent and DJs. I'm talking about Messiah, DJ Price Point 2. Prime time, just to name a few. This song is for bongs, just to right the wrongs. I know it's been long, but we're still holding strong. Forgetting justice, this message seems the song. Never giving up, cause this song is on the horns. Goku sesibadala sesavaye Pongwen. Abanye abekho semhlabeni. Pongwen. Pongwen. Goku sesibadala sesavaye Pongwen. Abanye banengosi abanye abekho semhlabeni. Let's marry boy, I'm Sisonke on the horns, man. Sisonke Connie's on the horns of the shit and he murdered it. Yeah. I have to take a seat for this shit, man. Shit is nice. Yeah. Listen. That's a Pongwin, the boy. Doing big things. We give thanks. Give thanks hip hop, give thanks selective life. That's Bazooka, man. Sisonke, show is going on. Nongela uxesha the next act, yabo. So I think umfang makasiphe a few songs. And the artist elandelayo izazilungiselela isort beats zayo. Much love and respect.